Hey, it's Dave with Austin's Kamado Joe Masterclass.
Today we're making Texas loaded sweet potatoes. Think smoked sweet potato, caramel sauce, and toasted marshmallows. They're simple to make on your Kamado Joe, and they go great with turkey, ham, and prime rib. First, let's get the Kamado Joe set up. I've got the firebox filled about halfway with good lump charcoal. I'll light it in the center and let it come up to temperature. We're cooking indirect at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll let the Kamado Joe warm up while we get the sweet potatoes ready. I'm using a few medium sweet potatoes. First, poke holes all over the skin with a fork. That lets steam escape and keeps them from bursting open while cooking. Then rub the skins with a little oil. That helps the skins crisp up and keeps them from drying out. Place the sweet potatoes directly on the grates. We're going to let these cook until they're tender, about 40 minutes depending on size. In the last 5 minutes of cook time, we'll whip up a simple caramel-style sauce. Start with a quarter cup of butter in a small saucepan over medium heat and let that melt. Then add a quarter cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir this until the sugar dissolves and everything's smooth. Once it's all combined, turn off the heat and set it aside. After about 40 minutes, check for tenderness. When the potatoes are soft all the way through, pull them off the grill. Transfer the sweet potatoes to a disposable aluminum pan. Take a knife and cut a slit end to end on one side of each sweet potato. Then squeeze the ends together to open it up. Drop 1 tablespoon of butter inside each one. Now drizzle that warm caramel sauce right down into the sweet potato. Then pack the top with mini marshmallows. Place the pan back under the Kamado Joe. Let these cook for 2 to 4 minutes, just until the marshmallows are golden brown and a little toasty on top. Keep an eye on them. They can go from perfect to burnt pretty fast at 450 degrees. This is what you're looking for: fluffy sweet potato, buttery caramel sauce, toasted marshmallows, and just a hint of smoke from the lump charcoal. These Texas loaded sweet potatoes are terrific served with turkey, ham, or prime rib, and they're easy to make on your Kamado Joe. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know, and please subscribe for more Texas-style holiday sides on your Kamado Joe. And check out my Kamado Joe 101 playlist right now.